That shit was on point.
Yeah, that shit was right. You ran, dog. You ran.
Shit, man.
You ran. You ran. You hear me knock on the glass, man? For the be back, man, you see this bullshit, man. This how we get it down, man. This is, man, this for YouTube, man.
Man, turn the light on so they can see us in this motherfucker.
See this shit here, man. Look at this shit, man. Repetition. Repetition, man. Repetition, man. Hey, girl, you sucking all that good dick over there, girl. Oh, it's gonna cool. Mr. Coolzy, he back in there. Cool, man. What you want to tell your YouTube viewer, MySpace fans, all them Facebook motherfuckers thought they weren't gonna see you again, man. Show them the new glow, man. Show them how we do it for the 2010, man. Man, we had flat screens. Now we got motherfucking
Rubik's Cubes.
Rubik's Cube, goddamn it. You ain't heard them yet, man. That's how we do that thing, man. Too much money, man. Go ahead, man. Fuck it up our camera. Alright, we back over here on Cassaz, man. No Cassaz, keep the headphones on, man. Keep the bitches on deck, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Bitches
Bitch, I work hard.
Work hard.
Fire that shit up.
Got the crooner out there, black boy.
With the little sweetie.
So jazzy.
Sitting on the ass.
Sitting on the ass. Wayne was about to take her home. Oh, hold on. Tell her you got a verse. You know you got a verse. Hold on, we gotta turn y'all off real quick.
Why I had to come up with some last